I work as the chief technologist at a pharmaceutical plant in Khabarovsk. 5 months ago, the management of our company made it a part of the production development plan to launch a new product, medicine for cold and flu in powder. To organize the process, it was necessary to purchase equipment and obtain documents for product certification. According to the requirements of the drug certification bodies, we are required to produce a trial batch of the product and make laboratory tests of the powder from cold and flu. In pharmaceutical production, it is important to control the quality of raw materials and finished medicines. This requires analytical equipment, which we also decided to buy for the powder packing area. We didn't have any mixing equipment for powders and granules in our powder packing area, which is used for mixing loose powders of pharmaceutical and biological products. A colleague from another plant recommended that I purchase a V-mixer, which was designed to avoid dead spots when mixing powders. The first thing I did was to contact the equipment supplier we had been working with for many years. The quality and performance of our offered equipment suited us, so we decided to consider this manufacturer. I got the phone number of the company's sales department, and I contacted the manager. The specialist who spoke to me told me that this equipment was out of stock and offered another option. I attentively studied the offered device, but it turned out that its capacity was less than 20 liters. For industrial production, this capacity is too small. I declined the offer and searched for another option. I was looking for a machine that would be as effective as possible, safe for the worker, made of durable material. The machine had to be compact in overall dimensions and easy to operate. I started my search for a V-mixer with the confidence that I would find the right equipment right away. I decided to look and compare machine manufacturers in Europe and China. I did my search over the internet. I sent emails to them indicating which machine I was considering as an option to 5 equipment companies in China. However, only 2 responded to me. One company indicated that such equipment would not be produced until 5 months, and the other sent a response in Chinese. The period of 5 months didn't satisfy me. It was too long, and none of our people speak Chinese. I didn't want to spend time and money on a translator, so it was decided not to buy a car from a Chinese manufacturer. I realized that I could not solve the problem of finding a V-mixer on my own and decided to go to a specialist intermediary. I had an idea of what kind of machine I needed, so I only paid attention to the reliability of the company. I chose several intermediaries on the internet, 1 from China and 2 managers from Russia. I made my choice by looking at the company's websites, the length of their work in the market for supplying pharmaceutical equipment, positive customer feedback, and the relevance of their prices were of great importance. At first I called the Chinese intermediary. His presented price for the machine was lower than the others. I was told by the manager, who specified that the price did not include customs clearance, delivery and installation of equipment. In advance, I checked the company in the database of entrepreneurs in Russia for litigation for the period of activity. This company did not appear in these lists. I liked the website of the company. It was modern, structured, and had a lot of videos. After calling to the manager, I received a good consultation on the possible mixer options. The specialist told me about the V-mixer and its features, sent me a video via email, and cited the experience of past customers. I liked his businesslike and professional approach. I was satisfied with the delivery terms and price, and a week later, we made a contract for a V-mixer with a cubic capacity of 300 liters. The machine was delivered on time. The machine is a modern V-shaped powder mixer, with an internal rotating shaft with pedals for mixing dry powder material. The mixing tank is made of stainless steel with polished inner and outer walls. The powder loading and unloading can be done either manually or by vacuum conveyor. There are quick release valves for unloading the powder. We were pleased with the automatic powder and pellet mixing equipment recommended and supplied by a specialist from this company. It was nice to learn that we had many mutual acquaintances. Experience has shown that no matter how confident you are in your abilities, consulting a specialist will speed up the task at hand and free up time that can be spent to your advantage.